Today's tutorial is all about how to embed UTF-8 characters in PDF files using C#. All right, so in today's tutorial, as I said, we're going to be going over how to use UTF-8 encoding in PDF files using IronPDF. So let's, before we proceed, let's ensure that we have IronPDF installed in our project. I've already done so using the NuGet Package Manager. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the program.cs file and check out the code. So first, we have using IronPDF, and this line incorporates the IronPDF namespace into our file. And this step is necessary so that we can utilize all the functions and classes that come with the IronPDF package. Next, we set our official license key for IronPDF. If you don't have one, you can go to IronPDF's official website and grab your license key there. We then define a string named HTML with UTF-8 containing a simple HTML page structure. Now, the crucial part here is the apostrophe, and this informs the browser that we're utilizing UTF-8 encoding. The text within the body of the HTML consists of a mixture of different languages. So now let's move to the core part. Here we create an instance of the Chrome PDF renderer class. Then we set its input encoding property to system.text.encoding.utf8. This means our renderer will interpret the input HTML string as UTF. And then afterward, we invoke the render HTML as PDF method on our render object, passing our UTF-8 encoded HTML string. And this method will convert our HTML string into a PDF document. Finally, we save our newly created PDF file using the save as method to a specified location on our system. So let's go ahead and run the project now and observe the outcome. And this process might take a few moments to complete. All right, the program has successfully executed, so let's open the resulting PDF file. So here you have the PDF, and as you can see, all of our multilingual text is preserved and accurately encoded. This really showcases the power of the IronPDF and UTF-8 encoding. All right, guys, that concludes today's tutorial on UTF encoding in PDFs. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you're finding all these Iron software tutorials helpful. And if you're interested in checking out our trial subscription so you can handle the software yourself firsthand, go ahead and click on the link in the description below.